Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be about the brows. I'm gonna be showing you. We're gonna be comparing these two items. It's a brow powder and a brow pencil, and of course this is a drugstore and this is a high end. This retails for $25, and of course this is just like $1 2. So it's not expensive. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you the difference between a brow powder and a brow pencil. So some people prefer to use powder, some people prefer to use pencil. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I achieve a brow using this on the side and this on the side. So if you want to see the difference, which one came out better, keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. guys, this is the final look. This is the powder side and this is the pencil side. So what do y'all think? What do you think? Do you prefer the pencil side or do you prefer the powder side? To me, they look almost the same, but if I'm to choose, I'll choose my pencil anytime, any day. To me, I feel my pencil is more better. The powder is okay, but I prefer the pencil part. So thank you for watching. Leave me your comments and tell me which one you think you prefer, the powder or the pencil. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video, and have a blessed day. Don't forget to stay safe. Bye-bye.